Bresemhan's line algorithm. Bresemhan's line algorithm is a popular scan conversion line algorithm used in computer graphics to determine the intermediate pixels that lie on a straight line between two endpoints. The algorithm uses only integer calculations, making it faster and more efficient than other line drawing algorithms that use floating point arithmetic. Here is a step-by-step explanation of how the Bresemhan's line algorithm works. Step 1. The two endpoints of the line are defined. Let's call them x1, y1 and x2, y2. Step 2. The difference between the x and y coordinates of the two endpoints is calculated. Let's call these dx and dy, respectively. Step 3. The decision parameter, p, is initialized to 2 *dy dx for the first point. Step 4. The algorithm iterates over the x-coordinate of the line, starting from x1 and ending at x2. Step 5. For each iteration, the algorithm checks the value of p. If p is less than or equal to 0, the next point on the line is x plus 1, y. If p is greater than 0, the next point on the line is x plus 1, y plus 1. Step 6. The value of p is updated for each iteration using the formula p is equal to p plus 2 * dy, 2 * dx * y plus 1 y. Step 7. The algorithm continues until the final endpoint of the line is reached. Step 8. The pixels at the intermediate positions calculated by the Bresemhan's line algorithm are plotted on the screen to produce the line. The Bresemhan's line algorithm is efficient and accurate, making it a popular choice for line drawing in computer graphics. It is used in a variety of applications, including graphics editors, computer-aided design (CAD) systems, and video games. The algorithm's simplicity and efficiency make it a useful tool for understanding the basics of line drawing in computer graphics. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.